In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Bitcoin wallet address on Crypto.com. This is a straightforward process, and by the end of it, you'll have your Bitcoin wallet address ready to go. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or have been dabbling in it for a while, Crypto.com is a helpful platform that makes accessing and managing your digital assets simple and efficient. So let's get started. First, you need to head over to Crypto.com, which is the main hub for accessing their services. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log in using your credentials. This is your gateway to managing all your crypto assets, including Bitcoin. Once you've logged in, the next thing you want to do is make sure you've purchased some Bitcoin. If you haven't done that yet, you'll need to visit the Buy Bitcoin section, enter the amount you wish to buy, and complete the transaction following the prompts provided. Remember, the purchase process may vary slightly depending on your payment method and location, but the platform will guide you through it. After your Bitcoin purchase is confirmed, look out for the crypto icon on the platform. This icon is your portal to viewing and managing your cryptocurrency. Click on the icon and you'll be directed to a section where all your crypto holdings can be viewed. This is one of the most important steps, as this area gives you a comprehensive overview of your assets. Now that you're in the crypto section, you'll see various cryptocurrencies available. Navigate your way to Bitcoin by clicking on it. This takes you directly to your Bitcoin wallet where you can see your holdings. If you've already bought Bitcoin, your wallet should display the amount you currently own. Finally, with your Bitcoin wallet open, you can view your individual wallet address. This is the specific address you'll use for receiving Bitcoin. It's important to keep this address secure and private to prevent any unauthorized access. Having gone through these steps, you should now be able to easily locate and manage your Bitcoin wallet address on Crypto.com. It's essential to familiarize yourself with these steps to ensure you can always access your wallet when you need it. And remember, always keep your account secure, never share your passwords or the wallet address publicly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you're looking to explore more about managing your cryptocurrency on Crypto.com, or if you have requests for other tutorials, let us know in the comments. Hit like and subscribe for more informative content, and we'll see you in the next video.